Hi, I'm Seth Resler. I'm the founder of Community Marketing Revolution, and I teach content creators and conference producers how to build communities around their brand. Now, my students kept coming to me and kept saying, Seth, we love the principles that you're teaching, but we want more examples. We want to know how real community builders are applying these principles in real life. And so that's why I am launching the Community Case Studies podcast. The idea here is simple. We are going to take a look at what actual community builders are doing and what belonging looks like in the real world. And you're going to see that even though it's a little bit different in each case, there are fundamental underlying principles when it comes to community building that can be adapted for your organization. So if you are interested in the world of community building, I hope you'll check it out. Again, it's called Community Case Studies. It's available wherever you find podcasts, whether that's Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, or someplace else. Please check it out.